Nowadays, we use a lot of social media, and there have a lot of social media platforms around this world like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, a lot. And here for this type of platform, you needn't to invest any money, you needn't to use any type of subscription platforms, or you needn't to pay them as a subscription fees. They generate their income from their ad sharing platform. Like here they get a bunch of ads, and from those ads they just show these ads to their users, and from this they just get money and they generate their a big amount of revenue. And here guys, by these are the first stage of generating revenue for this type of platform. But guys, do you know about this WhatsApp? It has no any subscription fees, no any ads, but how they run and how they make revenue. In this video guys, I'm going to talking with you about. I'm Mohammad Sajidz, you watching Sajidz Tech. Before starting this video, there are a request. If you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, we know about this WhatsApp a lot. It's first of all originated by the Yahoo's ex-founders. And here guys, after that, in the year of 2014, it was acquired by the Facebook platform. And after that, here it has a lot of users. It's increasing and increasing nowadays. Here nowadays, WhatsApp has more than 2 billion of users here around the world for Android and the iOS version too. So guys, for that reason, you can get about this knowledge about that WhatsApp, how many users they have, almost like the Facebook. And here guys, they make a lot of researches for you too, to give you a lot of features, and every day they launch some features. Now this WhatsApp become more popular in this social media platform, but they have no any revenue generated by them. They have no any ways like giving ads or taking some subscription funds from you, but they make some revenue. So how? As we know, the Facebook has already acquired this WhatsApp, so they have some option to get revenue. According to me, here they share some data with Facebook, like here by which mobile number you verify your WhatsApp, you just give this, and here from this you give some other data too in the WhatsApp, and here this data WhatsApp use to generate their revenue from Facebook. Like here you give some public data which you know and other also can say from your profile. This type of data they just give to the Facebook authority, and here Facebook authority just use those to give you some specific general ads, and from this type of level WhatsApp is going to generate their revenue. It's not still now clarified by the WhatsApp, but they have some hints to me that WhatsApp generate their revenue by sharing their some public data of their user to their Facebook. So here guys, this is the thing that I just get those data from the Yahoo Phonic, and I will also give you that blog's link in the description below. So from here I get this hint. After watching this video, what do you think, that WhatsApp use this type of thing too? If you so, that time I request you, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, and share this video with your friends so that your friend also know about this. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.